How's it going today, guys? One more quick video for you here. I'm gonna just drain the coolant. I removed this hose to change my starter and lost some fluid from that. I plan to just drain it anyway. I'm not gonna do a complete flush. I'm just gonna drain it and replace it. So I'm gonna get under the car here. So the drain plug is right there, and this is not going to get all the coolant out of the engine and all the hoses. It's just going to get the majority out of the radiator. You're probably going to have to put about 1.6 gallons back into it. We'll see. And you don't want to do this if you just had your car running. It's because it's going to be hot. Alright, so this is your coolant cap here. You're going to remove this, get a funnel, and that's where you're going to pour your new coolant into. So I didn't even get a full gallon in there. The rest must be in the engine. I know these things take about 1.6 to 2 gallons. So you'll probably get away with one of these when you're just draining the radiator. So I overflowed it a little bit here, so we're going to use our trusty Harbor Freight transfer pump to transfer it back into the container. And this is what I used. You can use OEM Honda Blue if you'd like. I don't think it really matters. But that's all I got for you. Thanks for watching, guys. Like and subscribe.